Hi students, we meet again for part 2. So for part 2, I'm going to continue lesson on topic opposing forces. So I want everybody to turn to page 56 and page 57 while watching this video. Okay? Please refer to your textbook while I am doing my teaching. Okay, but before I touch on opposing forces, let's talk about how force can change the shape of the object. So previously, I have taught everybody on how forces can change the shape. They can change the speed of the object. Force can also change the direction of the object, and also force can stop the moving object. For this one, it also said about force can change the shape of the object. For example, whenever you squeeze a sponge, you are causing the changes. You are causing the sponge to change its shape from rectangular like this into this shape. Okay? For that part, clear, right? Okay, moving on. What is an opposing forces? Okay, let us continue. Let me tell you what is opposing forces. Okay, when we push or pull an object, we can feel a force push against us or pull away from us. This force is called an opposing forces. The opposing forces acts in the opposite direction of a push or a pull. For example, this is a spring. So whenever you push down the spring, you are applying forces on the spring. And as you press down the spring, you can feel the opposing force of the spring pushing against your hand. By the action of you pushing down the spring, it can make the size and the shape of the metal to change. Okay, so as you push down, you can feel like something is pushing your hands up. Okay, so that is the opposing forces. So your hand, direction of your hand pushing the spring downward. However, the opposing forces acting upward. Okay, so this one is the example of the spring. Next one, the other example, whenever you are pulling the rope. When we pull on a rope, we are applying a force on the rope. So as you pull, the opposing force will act on the rope, acting upward. Okay, so we can feel the opposing force of the rope acting on our hand. So that is about opposing forces. Okay, so if you have anything, if you feel unclear about this, don't hesitate to ask me in the parents WhatsApp group for year 3 class. Okay, so for homework for this topic, I have prepared the notes which I want everybody to copy on the exercise book, to copy in the exercise book, science exercise book, which is this. So I have prepared all this. So I will put these notes at the end of this video. Okay, so I hope that everybody will copy the notes inside the science exercise book. Okay, I'll see everyone again in the next online lesson. Okay, bye.